Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I created animal maze inside of Artistry and with the help of ChatGPT, of course. You know, we have a kids puzzle inside of Artistry, right? Where we create a maze generator, there is a crossword puzzle and other activity inside of kids puzzle. But in this tutorial, it's a different style of maze that we can create inside of Artistry, but of course in a with the help of ChatGPT and depends on the prompts. So I tried a lot of prompts, but I think this is the prompt that I use. But you can also change it if you want to. But I'm gonna share with you guys the master prompt, so you can just tweak it or change a little bit if you don't like how it looks like. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I created these animals maze puzzle. Kids can also color it, and there's an instruction on what are those animals wants to find out inside of those pages. All right, so without any further ado, guys, I'm going to show you inside of my computer, and let's do this. Alright guys, so now we are here in Artistry. We're going to go to Fast AI Designer. And here you will see kids puzzle, right? So here we have the maze generator, word search puzzle. So in this maze generator, I'm gonna do a different style, but you can use this one. But the style that I'm gonna show you guys is we don't have in here. So I hope someday they can create those styles so that we can choose how do we want to look our maze activity for kids. All right, first we're going to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you guys. Here is the master prompt that you can use to create your animal maze. Okay, you can just now screenshot this one, and then you can edit it. You can tweak it. It depends on how you want the result of this prompt, so you can change anything here. So here, and you see the animal with the parentheses, you can just put or write here the animal that you want. So here is the master prompt. Okay, and now I already created some prompts that I'm gonna use for example. Okay, so this AI image designer V6 is the one that I'm going to use. So I'm gonna show you guys the one that I already made about the puzzle, so you have an idea on how it looks like. Alright, so here are the sample of the puzzles that I am creating right now, which is we cannot create a flipbook on this. I'm just going to bulk download all of the image and take it to Canva to create a PDF book for this activity. So just showing you guys that you can create this kind of or this style of maze inside of Artistry. Alright, so here is the first one that I created. I put here that there is the pig at the start of the pot wants to reach the mad puddle. Can you help him find the way? So from here, the pigs goes inside of this, go away here, and then you can just show the path where he can go to this puddle. All right, there are other also way that he can go on to the puddle. If the pig goes here and there, you can just play around with these guys to where you want it to go. Okay, if we're gonna use the AI image designer V6, then you can use create from prompt, B4 image designer, perfect text in image designer, artistic designer, and artistic designer B2. But in this project, I use the artistic designer B2. So you can play around with these guys, which one looks good for you, then you can choose the category that you want. All right, so I'm going back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna show you guys one example on how it looks like. Okay, so let's go to the ship maze activity prompt. I've already created a prompt from this. I'm just copy the code, and then I'm going to bring this into Artistry. So I'm gonna go with the artistic designer in this category. I'm going to paste the prompt here. All right, so as you see guys here, okay, the ratio, we're gonna choose the ratio. So I'm gonna choose 3/4, and then let's select the quantity. So you have an option or you have choices for your pages. Okay, then let's generate the image and let's wait for seconds and see how it looks like. Alright, so now here you go, guys. Now there are 4 images that comes out here, and then you can just choose which images that you want. Some of the images is not good. Maybe I will choose this one or this one. So let's go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you one more example, guys, and then I'm going to do the rest of this until the end of this activity. Okay, let's go back again to ChatGPT and let's go to chicken maze activity prompt. I'm just copy the prompt and then go back to Artistry, check the AI Image Designer V6, and then I'm going to use Artistic Designer V2 for this category. I'm going to paste here the prompt. Okay, I'm going to select 4 quantity so that I can choose. And then we're going to set the ratio for 3:4 and click Generate Image. And let's wait for seconds. So this is how you're going to create the animal maze inside of Artistry if you don't want to use this the one that we have in here, the kids puzzle. Okay, you can use this, but this is different style of mazes that kids can also color this one, color the ship, very easy way to help the ship or whatever farm animals to find their way out. Okay, so now here is the first one, the chicken. Take a look. Okay, so the chicken at the start of the pot wants to reach the coop. Can you help her to find the way? I think this is the easy one. Okay, I can use this one. They can just go ahead and straight to go there. All right. And this one, let's see. Okay, this is the easy one too. They can just go ahead and go straight. And here is the start. I don't think there's a way coming here. Not all the images are perfect, but guys, you can always click this icon and regenerate the image. Okay, so let's see this one, start. Oh, I think this is better, this one, but I don't like the one that they say start. It starts, what? So guys, there are a lot of things that there's not really 100% perfect, but since I'm going to take this to Canva, I can just put T over there, and if you don't like it, then you can just click this one, guys, and then regenerate it. Okay, click again the quantity, generate the image. Alright, there you go, guys. So now here's my chicken. So the chicken at the start of the pot wants to reach the coop. Can you help her find the way? So that's the way. She can just go ahead there, go around here, go around there, and then she can go there. Okay, and if there's another way, then she can find another way to go into that route. So you can go here and here and then here, like just like that, and go there. Okay, so it's not really difficult for kids to do that. So this is how you can create, guys, an animal maze for kids that they can color it. It's not really hard, to find a way, and there is an instruction here to what to do. All right, we can make this color if you want to, but I choose to be like black and white so they can color it at the same time. So this is how you're gonna make your animal maze inside of Artistry with the help of ChatGPT. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Hope you like it and you learned something from it. So let me know, guys, down in the comments. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you like the kind of activity or that style of animal maze, and then try for yourself, guys. Create an animal maze for your activity, and you just copy and paste the ChatGPT that I just shared with you guys, so you can just tweak it or change a little bit in the way you want it to to looks like for your activity. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and always if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and especially please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video every week. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Alright, bye for now.